The MC-2000 is full of advanced technology to enhance your massage, but it's really easy to use. Let me show you how. You can turn your chair on by pressing the green power button on your easy-to-use LCD remote. For a fast, easy 8-minute massage, click the quick relaxation button on your LCD remote. The chair comes preloaded with 5 different massage cycles for your convenience. To cycle through them, press the auto button on your LCD remote. These cycles include recovery, pain relief, stretch, music sync, we'll get more into that later, and experience. You can adjust the recline of both your chair and your footrest by pressing the buttons on the bottom of your LCD remote. You can also go straight into zero gravity mode by pressing the 0 button. To select from more advanced massage modes, press Menu, Auto, and scroll down to Special. From there, you can choose from 5 more advanced massage modes, including White Collar, Shopaholic, Back Yoga, Athlete Mode, and Care of Age. To manually configure your massage, press Menu, scroll down to Manual, and adjust the mode, position, width, and speed of your massage. The 3D plus or minus option allows the rollers to protrude or recede off the L-track. The MC-2000 comes with an L-track roller system, which massages all the way from your neck to underneath your legs. To configure the air pressure on your massage chair, press Menu, scroll down to Air, and from there, you can adjust the position and intensity of the chair's 36 airbags. The MC-2000 comes with a built-in shiatsu foot massager. To adjust the foot massager, press Menu, scroll down to Roller, and from there, you can choose between quick and soft. This chair also comes with a built-in heat function. To turn on the heat, press Menu, scroll down to Heating, and select Start or Stop. To adjust the duration of your massage, press Menu, scroll down to Timing, and from there, you can select a 10, 20, or 30-minute massage. The chair also comes with 2 built-in Bluetooth speakers. To enable Bluetooth, press Menu, scroll down to Settings, and select Bluetooth. Select On. From there, go to your mobile device or tablet. You should see an option to connect to an MC-2000. For volume control, use your mobile device or tablet. You can now play your favorite audio while getting a relaxing massage. Now, scroll back up to Auto. Select Music Sync, and your massage chair will sync your massage to your music. You can also play audio by plugging a USB storage device into the USB port located just above the left speaker. When playing audio through a USB storage device, you can adjust the playback and volume using the control panel on your LCD remote. Any USB storage device formatted to FAT will play audio through the chair. So that's it. That's everything you need to know about your MC-2000 massage chair. Enjoy!